Hello friends, welcome to my channel Lemon Coders. So this is a innovation challenge from Accenture on Hackathon platform. Before I tell you about this opportunity, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and like this video because whenever I upload new videos, it is more important for you to get notified for these opportunities because uh, there it is very difficult to uh, view these opportunities. Like if you subscribe my channel and like this video, whenever I upload a new video you will get a notification and you will be aware of that opportunity and take advantage of it. Accenture is conducting an innovation challenge on Hackathon platform. The team size allowed is 1 to 4. This has started from July 21st and will end on August 7. The idea phase will be online, and then from September 12 to September 26, there will be a prototype submission phase. So, who can participate? The competition is open to all college students who are passionate about technologies. So, all of them can participate. And there are attractive prizes and irresistible incentives. A unique national platform to showcase your innovative spirit and present out of the box solutions to our acclaimed jury in the finals. An opportunity for students to have a fast track interview with Accenture. What is the route to grand finale? The registration and idea submission are from July 21 to August 7. Then online simulation is from September 8 to September 10, and the prototyping is from September 12 to September 26, and the grand finale will be on October of 8. Phase 1 will be registrations and idea submission. So you have to form a team of up to 4 members and submit your innovative ideas and solutions as per the submission template. Also share with us your innovative ideas through an interesting elevator pitch video of 1 to 2 minutes. Online simulation, only shortlisted teams will advance to this stage and participate in the online submission round, simulation round. Prototyping is top 20 teams will receive a funding of INR 25,000 to build their prototypes and compete in the semi-final round. If you are selected, you will get a chance to be mentored by our innovation coaches and present the final solution to the grand jury in the next round. The final phase is grand finale. Compete in the grand finale and present your innovative ideas to win big. So the prizes are 25,000 for jury's choice, 75,000 for first runner-up. Winner will get 1 lakh, and second runner-up will be get 75,000, and top 5 runner-up will get 25,000. So the themes are innovate for business, develop innovative business solutions, offering or a business model that disrupts the market. You need to use this submission template for your idea submission. So let's check out the template. So the template should be like this. You should put the this logo on your front first page. Then you need to write your team member's name, your education institute name. Then you need to write your problem statement. Then you need to describe your solution. Then you need to tell about the impact and benefit to business and society. Then you need to describe how is the solution innovative. Then you need to describe your testimony, video testimony link or external publication links. Then you need to give your elevator page video. That's all about the submission template. And another round is innovate for society. So you need to develop innovative solutions by applying technology to help improve the way we work and live and create value for our society. So there is another submission template for innovate for society, and it is mandatory to submit a 2-minute elevator pitch video in our presentation, and you need to put your PPT, video link in your PPT. So go ahead and register for this challenge. It is a very interesting opportunity for all of the students. And apart from Accenture, you if you want to apply on more companies, like Cognizant is hiring for Jensen Next Profile, Uber, Airtel, Amazon, Infosys, Mindtree, Flipkart, Reliance Jio. They are also hiring, and most important thing, Netcore is hiring for 30 LPA of package for backend developers. So you need to apply on these companies. You need to check out my channel. I have made videos on each of them. So you go to that video, and you will get the apply link on the video description, and apply for these companies. If you want to participate in Accenture Innovation Challenge, please do comment that I am interested in this challenge. I will provide you the link on how to apply, or you can check my video description on how to apply, and you will find all the videos I have made on recent job opportunities on my video description. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and like this video.